Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flapping bird. So let's get started. To make this flapping bird, you need a A4 size sheet and a scissor. So actually I don't have a square sheet, so I'm using this A4 size sheet, and if you have a square sheet you can use that too. So first I'm going to cut this into a square sheet. I'm going to fold a triangle like this and just press it. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut it. So this is our remaining part. So it is cut. So if you see anything which is extra, just cut it. So now this is how a square sheet looks. So first only I have made this crease, so I am going to just overlap this again. Now on the other side I am going to do the same, like this. And just press it more. Now open this crease and fold it like this. So here we go. So now I'm going to fold this like a square. So it forms a square like this. Now open all the creases. So you are going to get this type of square sheet which has these creases. Now take one square, it's like a diamond shape. So just fold it like this in half and press over here, only one box. Then take this crease like this. So you will get something shaped like this over here, but we are not going to use that. So do the same thing on this side. Just take one side over here and press it. Now we are going to fold it by this crease like this and just press it over. So this is the shape we are getting, and it has 4 layers. Now from where it opens, take that side and just fold it like this. All the sheets together and make a crease like this. So here it goes. And then it looks like this from behind. And just take this over so that it's done. Now the thing looks like this. So now we are going to open all the creases we have made, and it will look like this from behind like this. Now turn it over, and till this line we are going to take it up like this. Now we are just going to take one and fold it. It is easy because we have done lots of creases before, so it is going to be easy for you to do. Now same on the other. So the thing looks like this. Now turn it over and do the same thing. I'm going to repeat myself once. Just take it and fold it with the creases, and same to do with this side. Now we are going to take the side which has this cut and this is closed one, so we are going to take this side. So the first left side we are going to take, so fold it like this. And this one same as this left one. So now it's done. Now unfold the creases as always. Now take this side and open this. Not much, only that much that you need, and fold this like this. Done. Now same on this other side. Open this up, take this like this, and then close it. So it will look like something, a crown or a hat. Now if you want, you can fold the creases up so that you can make a stand, but it's optional. Now fold this down to make wings. Same on the other side. Now make sure you have this on the same. So now it looks a kind of this. Then you need to check where is the hair. So it is flapping like this. So we are going to make this hair. So just fold one small crease like this. Like this. Now open this up like this. Now put this down and close. So it has a formed beak. Now take this a little bit down and press this. Now you can flap your bird. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.